Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is May. How can I assist you today?
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How can I help you today?
May I ask you some question about AWS servers?
Of course, I'd be happy to answer any questions you have about AWS services. What would you like to know?
What is AWS EC2?
AWS EC2, or Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, is a web service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It allows you to...
What service can I connect with the EC2?
Certainly, AWS EC2 can be connected with a variety of AWS services to enhance its functionality and capabilities. Some of the services you can connect with EC2 include 1. Amazon S3 Simple Storage Service. You can use S3 to store and retrieve data from EC2 instances. 2. Amazon RDS Relational Database Service. You can connect EC2 instances with RDS to manage and scale related. AWS EC2 and Amazon VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, are two different services that serve different purposes within the AWS ecosystem. EC2 is a web service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud, allowing you to quickly provision virtual servers instantly.
Design a website using EC2 and VPC.
Absolutely. I can help you design a website using AWS EC2 and Amazon VPC. Here's a high-level overview of how you can set up a website using these services. 1. Launch EC2 instances. Start by launching EC2.
How can I create S3 webcam?
With AWS EC2, you can create and host a podcast by setting up a server to store and stream your podcast episodes. Here's a general outline of how you can create a podcast using EC2. Launch EC2 instances. Start by launching EC2 instances to serve as your podcast server. Using both Amazon VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, and AWS EC2 together can provide a secure and scalable environment for hosting your podcast. Here's how you can leverage both services for your podcast.